Hey there, Meredith here from artsandclassy.com. The holidays are over and it's the beginning of a new year, and I have been a little behind after getting back from vacation on taking down my Christmas decorations. So you will see behind me, Christmas tree. We got a garland still. We got a lot of stuff to take care of. I also have some holiday festive pillows that I need to pack away. So I just wanted to share with you what my process was in doing so. So a few tips to get started before you tackle packing away decorations is to always have, the original boxes or bins. I use plastic bins, and also a large box for our Christmas tree to have them standing by. If you need any additional packing material, which you shouldn't typically after you've unpacked it, but if this is your first time packing away new decorations, make sure you either have bubble wrap or paper towels or newspaper or something that will help keep those items safe and secure before you pack them away again. So I wanted to share with you just kind of like a little rundown of, what my process is, what it looks like with me packing stuff away. I don't normally share this kind of behind the scenes stuff, but I'm really trying to do more video so you guys can see what really is going on with Arts and Classy when you are packing stuff away. Something to entertain yourself while you are doing so, something fun. So if you want to listen to music, crank that music up while you're packing stuff away, listen to a podcast, listen to an audiobook, or if you are in a room where you have your TV, put on your favorite show or your favorite movie that you can do this along to. So for me, you can see I'm actually wearing my Outlander shirt because Outlander premieres one of the episodes premieres today. I'm gonna be watching Outlander while I pack away my Christmas decorations. So stay tuned for the whole process, and I will show you what the living room looks like afterwards. Okay. Just wanting to pop on here today and share with you some new stuff I just got. Nearly Natural, a website, nearlynatural.com, they sent me some amazing artificial plants. So if you're the type of person that typically kills things, don't have quite a green thumb, or maybe you have animals in the house and you don't want to have real plants in case they start to nibble on them, in case they might be poisonous, this company would be a great solution for you. My first time actually working with them, and after seeing what trees they were going to be sending me for my indoor my indoor plants for my living room, which is behind me, I am super stoked to see what they look like. So I wanted to do an unboxing video so you can see what kind of condition the product comes in when it arrives at your front door. Okay, so the two trees that I was sent were the canna tree and a fiddle leaf tree. I have a kind of a 1950s mid-century modern eclectic kind of montage going on in my living room, so I wanted to keep that going with some inspiration that I found from some mid-century modern living rooms that I'm kind of aspiring to be more like. So let's see what these plants look like. Got my scissors. Here's box number one. I was amazed with how tall these were. This tree is supposed to be 6 feet. Holy crap, there is a lot going on here. Okay, awesome. So there's this one. This is the Kana plant. It's 6 feet tall. And it looks like you can kind of bend the branches in whatever direction you want to fill the space. Like swimming in boxes here today. This one here, let me kind of pan down so you can see it. Panning down. So you can see it doesn't come in it has a little planter, but it doesn't come in a pot. So I'm definitely gonna need to get a pot for it. But I'm gonna go ahead and stage it over here for now. So it can live there, so I can open the other one. Sorry guys, I'm getting used to the new setup of, you know, recording while I open stuff. So yeah, it's supposed to have a turquoise planter. Let's see how it looks. So it looks like the planter is wrapped in more cardboard. Oh my gosh, this would have been perfect for my Christmas tree box. Okay. So I like that they keep everything really nicely wrapped, so it's obviously not going to be damaged when it ships. So it looks like the stuff that's going to sit in the planter comes in a separate container. They're little white rocks. I think that's the part that the rocks sit on. It looks like it's styrofoam right here, but I really like this plant. This is the fiddle leaf plant. So I'm going to figure out where I'm going to put both of these trees, and I'm also going to figure out a pot for the Kana tree. And you will be able to see the after of how my living room looks once it's all set up. I was really sad when I took down my Christmas decorations, and there was a place in my living room where the Christmas tree was, and I really felt like it was just blank without the Christmas tree there. So thanks to a company called Nearly Natural, they sent me these 2 awesome trees, and they are fake because I do not have a green thumb whatsoever, so I don't have to worry about keeping them alive. I'm very excited about that. So I'm gonna be sharing that process with you today. Okay, so don't mind the stuff in the background and my whole like light setup. Anyways, so this is the fiddle leaf tree from Nearly Natural, and it comes with the base and the little white rocks that you see that kind of sit on the base to give it a little better look. Oh look, there's a beagle there. Hi Gertie. And then this is the Kana tree. It's 6 feet tall. It did not come with a pot or a planter, or it did come with one, but not a decorative one. I actually ended up getting this cloth or this woven cotton rope one from Amazon, and I will link to that in the blog post if you like it. It was really inexpensive, and I really like how it turned out. Anyways, so let's move on. This is the spot in my living room that looks super blank without a Christmas tree there. Do you agree? I agree. Anyway, so I'm also going to be hanging this medallion in our little decorative fireplace. I kind of reorganized the mantle. I'm going to be adding a little more to it as well, and then cleaned our lovely couch from pet hair and everything. I'm going to get that a little more situated and put a little throw. And then isn't our lovely record player amazing? And then our set of records, we actually have the other set over here as well. So yeah, this is going to just be getting finessed today, and I'll be sharing that process. there, so I wanted to thank Nearly Natural for all their help sending their beautiful plants to me. It was so fun to work with them. I get so happy when I get home now because when I first walk in my door, I see that corner and there's that pop of green, that pop of nature in my living room, and it just adds so much more to it. It's not as blank as it felt before, it's not as stark as it felt before, and it's just amazing to me how just adding a little bit of nature can really transform a space. So I'm a little less sad that I had to pack away Christmas, and I'm really happy with how my room is looking now. I hope you enjoyed this video and this transformation and the unboxing of those 2 plants that Nearly Natural sent me, the Canna and the Fiddle Leaf. And I hope that you'll check out their website, nearlynatural.com. I really appreciate you checking out this video. If you liked this and you want to see more videos like this video, please let me know in the comments below, and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you aren't already, make sure you are subscribed. Hit that little subscribe button below, and also make sure to hit that little bell for bell notifications for when I upload new videos. I appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video.